I'm Ryan Moeller here, and I'm going to explain the prehab model and why it has been working so well. This is a duplex that we bought at a discount. Not bad looking, but just nothing special. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to power wash it, we're going to cut the grass, which isn't bad, and we're going to use paint to make this look like the best house on the block and the best house in the search results. So we're going to paint all the trim around the windows, the doors, up here if we can get there, these pillars, this facing right here. I'm going to paint these steps even white. I'm going to paint these steps gray, and even this concrete right here, I'm going to paint white. This was the first step. Look how much better that looks. That's just trim paint. That costs like maybe $150. I'm still going to paint this trim, and I'm going to paint the stairs, paint these gray, and I'm going to paint these white. The next one, this is going to look even better. Now on the interior, we get rid of the clutter. This does not look appealing to a buyer. This does, and this only costs like 30 bucks. This was a train wreck. This house was horrible. We took out all this clutter, got rid of the carpet, and shined up these hardwoods. That only cost like $200. So things like drywall holes, we'll patch those. We'll patch roof leaks. We'll fix joists. We kill deal breakers, and we make the house look like the best house on the block and the best house in the search results, because the highest paying buyers buy through the MLS through realtors. And that's why this has been working so well. Here's a couple examples. This one, we just took the boards off and cut the grass and took a professional picture at the right time of the day. This sold for over asking price in 12 hours. This one sold in a day. We took the boards off, cut the grass, painted the railing, the steps, the trim white, power washed it, painted this brick red, and this sold in a day for all cash, no contingencies. This prehab model is working extremely well because we jumped to the top of that search results, and buyers want to buy our properties because it looks easy to do this deal rather than looking like a train wreck like this. So we buy at wholesale at a discount, we add value through prehab, and then we sell as close to retail as we can as possible. And it's working tremendously well.